In this video, you will learn how to edit a pay run that has already been submitted to the ATO via single-touch payroll in Myaccountant. Common reasons for editing a submitted pay run include overpaying or underpaying an employee or correcting tax and superannuation details. From the left menu, click Payroll, then select Pay Runs. In the Pay Runs screen, go to the Pay Runs tab to view existing pay runs. Locate the pay run submitted to the ATO and click on it to open. Then click the Edit button. In the confirmation screen, click Yes. The pay run status will return to draft, allowing you to make changes. Open the employee pay run record. Make the necessary changes to pay items, then click Save. Return to the pay run screen. Click Finalize to complete the update. In the confirmation screen, click Yes. Next to the Submit button, open the drop-down menu and choose either Update or Send Replacement. Use Update for correcting reported details without changing total wages amount. Use Send Replacement to replace the original submission entirely. In the Lodgement Declaration screen, tick the box to sign, enter your name, and click Update or Send Replacement as relevant. In the confirmation screen, click Submit. An update will then be sent to the ATO, and the status will change to Submitted. That's how you edit and resubmit a pay run after it's been lodged with the ATO. Useful tips: always double-check totals and STP categories before resubmitting. Use Update for minor corrections like TFNs or pay item categories. Use Send Replacement when changing totals or major payment data.